Hello friends, welcome back to Spoken English course. Today's lesson is very useful. We are going to learn how to talk about daily routine in English. You will hear a natural conversation between two friends, Emma and Lucas. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and practice speaking. Let's begin. Emma and Lucas meet outside their classroom. They greet each other. Hi, Lucas. Good morning. Good morning, Emma. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too. By the way, what time do you usually wake up in the morning? I usually wake up at 6:30. I try not to sleep late because I want to start my day early. Wow, that's early. I normally wake up at 7:30. So what do you do after you wake up? First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink a glass of water. After that, I do some stretching exercises. It makes me feel fresh. That's healthy. For me, after I wake up, I go straight to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes. Always. I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. What about you? I usually eat fruit and oatmeal. On weekends, I sometimes eat pancakes. How do you go to school? I usually take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes. I walk to school because I live nearby. It only takes me 10 minutes. That's nice. Walking is good exercise too. What's your daily routine at school? Well, school starts at 8:30. We usually have 4 classes in the morning. After that, we have a lunch break. Then we have 2 more classes in the afternoon. Same here. During lunch break, I usually eat with my friends in the cafeteria. What do you usually do? Sometimes I eat in the cafeteria, but many times I bring food from home. After eating, I usually chat with my friends or read a book. What do you do after school? I go home around 3:30. When I get home, I usually rest for a while. Then I start my homework. Same here. I try to finish my homework before dinner. Do you do any activities after school? Yes, twice a week. I go to dance class. I really enjoy it. What about you? I play football with my friends in the park. It's fun and also keeps me healthy. What time do you usually have dinner? We usually eat dinner at 8 o'clock. My mom cooks delicious food. That's nice. We usually have dinner around 7:30. After dinner, I help my mom clean the kitchen. Do you watch TV in the evening? Sometimes I watch TV shows or YouTube videos, but I try not to watch too much. What about you? I sometimes play video games after dinner, but not every day. So, what's your night routine before going to bed? Around 9:30. I usually revise my lessons. Then I read a book for about 15 minutes. After that, I brush my teeth and go to bed at 10:30. That's a good habit. For me, I usually prepare my school bag for the next day, set my alarm, and then read something on my tablet. I go to bed around 11 o'clock. So we both sleep early. That's good. Talking about daily routine is a good way to practice English. Yes, I agree. We can learn many useful phrases like I usually, I always, sometimes, and after that. Right? And we can also use present simple tense to talk about habits. Exactly. For example, I wake up at 7, she eats breakfast at 8, we go to school at 9. Teacher's tone. Now let's quickly review what we learned from Emma and Lucas's conversation. To talk about daily routine, we mostly use the present simple tense. Example. I wake up at 6:30. She goes to school at 8 o'clock. Use frequency words like always, usually, sometimes, often, never. Example. I usually eat breakfast. He never drinks coffee. Use sequence words to describe order. First, then, after that, finally. Example. First, I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Keep sentences short and clear when practicing daily routine. Lucas, I enjoyed talking about our daily routines. Me too, Emma. It was good practice. Let's practice another topic tomorrow. Sure. See you tomorrow. That's the end of today's story. Friends, I hope you enjoyed learning English through this simple conversation. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to talk about your own daily routine in English. Thank you for watching Spoken English course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories and conversations. See you in the next video.